This video is about how to set our preferred location on iPhone home screen weather widget and make sure your internet connection was turned on. OK. To change your iPhone location, first go to home screen and long press on the weather widget like this. Then you will see these options. Here you can delete that widget and you can customize the home screen, and finally you can edit widget. For now we need to edit, so click edit widget. Here you can choose your preferred location. Click here and here type the place or city name. For example, I am typing London. Choose that. Click done. That's it. Your weather widget location was successfully changed. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps me, subscribe and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks.